Investors are always on the lookout for the next big thing, right? Well, it turns out that single-family rentals are quietly becoming the star of the show in investment circles. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the world of real estate, SFRs might just be the best-kept secret you didn't know you needed in your portfolio. Let's dive into some reasons why SFRs are stealing the spotlight. Reason number 1. Steady income stream. Who doesn't love a steady paycheck? Well, think of SFRs as your own personal income generator. When you choose wisely and manage them well, these properties can churn out consistent monthly rental income like clockwork. Sure, cash flow is just one piece of the SFR puzzle, but it's a pretty sweet one. As you grow your portfolio, that passive income starts to add up, almost like a snowball rolling downhill. Before you know it, you're using rental income to pay off mortgages and cover expenses, all while watching your equity grow with minimal out-of-pocket cash. Sounds pretty good, right? Reason number 2, appreciation potential. Ever notice how property values tend to go up over time? It's like watching a slow but steady rocket launch. Sure, there might be a few bumps along the way, but the overall trend? Up, up, and away. Single-family homes have a knack for appreciating in value, offering the chance for some impressive long-term gains. A buy-and-hold strategy really shines here. No need to stress over timing the market just right like those flippers do. Just sit back, keep it nice, and let your investment grow. You may not get a bailout like the bankers, but at least you'll have a place to sleep in. Reason number 3, tax benefits. The trifecta of SFR investing: cash flow, appreciation, and tax benefits. It's like having your cake and eating it too. When it comes to taxes, SFRs have plenty of perks. Think mortgage interest deductions, property taxes, repairs, and even depreciation. But wait, there's more. With strategies like the 1031 exchange and investing through a self-directed IRA, you can keep more of your gains in your pocket by deferring those pesky capital gains taxes. So next time your money goes to some random country at the other side of the planet, it is because you're taking a vacation, and not because your politicians are, well, you know, talk about a win-win.